Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the referral code in NoOnes. And this is quite simple to fix because right here we go to home and here we have the dashboard. And then right here at the dashboard you have a lot of options right here. But the most easy way is if you go here right in the top to partner program. They have a very easy partner programming. So what you only need to do is you can use this QR code, or you copy this link, paste it where you want, and when people click on this link and make an account or deposit money to their account, you will earn money. So this is how easy it is, and this is where your referral code is standing. So hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching, and if you are considering creating an account, please use my link in the description to join this awesome platform. So hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Again, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.